ask you something personal?
Ooh, what is it, Alex? Tell me.
Serious. When you think, what language do you think in?
Wow, that is such a deep question.
Because here is the truth, learners. If you want to speak English fluently,
You have to stop translating in your head.
yes, you have to train your brain to think in English.
And guess what? That is exactly what we are talking about today.
So let me ask you right now, are you thinking in English or are you still translating?
Don't worry, by the end of this video,
Your brain will never be the same again.
welcome back to AI Talk English channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Let's get started.
Okay, Emma, so tell me honestly, when you first started learning English, did you think in English or translate?
Oh my God, Alex, I was the queen of translation.
Really? What do you mean?
Like, someone would say, "How are you?" And in my head, I would first think in my own language, then translate, then reply.
Yes, that is exactly what most learners do.
And the problem is, by the time you translate, the conversation is already over.
Exactly. So the real goal is think in English directly.
And the good news is, anyone can train their brain to do this.
Yes, it just takes practice. And today, we will tell you exactly how.
Okay, learners, here are 5 simple tips to train your brain to think in English.
Tip number 1. Label everything around you.
Look at things in your house and say the English word in your head. Table, chair, window, door, cup.
Do this every day, and your brain will automatically connect objects with English words.
Excited. Tip number 2. Think in English sentences, not just words.
Don't just think water, think I want to drink water.
Small sentences, big difference.
Energetic. Tip number 3. Talk to yourself in English.
Yes, this sounds crazy, but it works.
When you wake up, say in your head, "Good morning. Today is going to be a great day."
Your brain starts to feel comfortable with English naturally.
Confident. Tip number 4. Stop using a dictionary in your own language.
When you learn a new word, look for its meaning in English, not in your language.
For example, instead of translating happy, think happy means feeling very good inside.
Impressed. This is so powerful. Your brain thinks in English automatically.
Drum roll, and tip number 5, my personal favorite.
What is it?
Dramatic. Dream in English.
Wait, can you actually control that?
Okay. Maybe not control, but if you practice English all day, your brain will slowly start dreaming in English too.
Wow, that is actually true. It happened to me.
See? It works.
Okay, learners, now it is practice time. I will say a phrase and you repeat it out loud.
Yes. Say it once, say it twice, say it 3 times. The more you repeat, the more your brain remembers.
First phrase, listen carefully. Stop translating, start thinking in English.
Now you say it. Go ahead. Don't be shy.
Great! Now say it faster. Stop translating, start thinking in English.
Perfect. Next phrase. Label everything around you in English.
Close your eyes, imagine your room, and say it. Label everything around you in English.
You are doing amazing. Keep going.
Next one. Talk to yourself in English every single day.
Say it like you really mean it. Loud and confident. Talk to yourself in English every single day.
Almost done. 2 more. Think in sentences, not just words.
Say it slowly first, then fast. Think in sentences, not just words.
Last one, our favorite phrase of today.
Are you ready?
Confident. Train your brain and English will feel natural.
Yes. Say it one more time with full energy. Train your brain and English will feel natural.
Wow, you just trained your brain a little more today.
Every time you repeat, you are one step closer to fluency.
Now let's learn 5 important words from today's topic.
Listen, understand, and remember these words.
Word number 1. Translate. It means to change words from one language to another.
Don't translate. Think directly in English.
Word number 2. Fluent. It means speaking a language very easily and naturally.
I want to become fluent in English.
Word number 3. Automatically. It means something that happens by itself without thinking.
After practice, English will come automatically.
Word number 4. Label. It means to give a name to something.
Label everything in your house with English words.
Word number 5. Comfortable. It means feeling relaxed and easy with something.
Practice every day, and you will feel comfortable in English.
5 powerful words. Remember them.
Okay, Emma, I have a fun challenge for you.
Oh, I love challenges. What is it?
Okay, I'll name a room in the house, and you have to say 5 English words from that room as fast as possible.
Easy. Let's go.
Okay, kitchen, go.
Fridge, stove, plate, spoon, cup.
Wow, that was fast. Okay, next, bedroom.
Bed, pillow, blanket, lamp, mirror.
Amazing. See, learners, that is exactly how your brain should work in English, fast and automatic.
Now you try this game at home. Pick any room and name 5 things in English.
Write your answers in the comments. We want to see.
And if you get stuck, that means you need more practice.
And that is totally okay. That is why we are here.
Okay, learners, let's do a quick recap of today's lesson.
Today, we talked about how to train your brain to think in English.
Tip 1. Label everything around you in English.
Tip 2. Think in English sentences, not just words.
Tip 3. Talk to yourself in English every day.
Tip 4. Stop using a dictionary in your own language.
Tip 5. Practice so much that you dream in English.
And we learned 5 new words: translate, fluent, automatically, label, comfortable.
You watched the whole video. That means you are serious about learning English.
And serious learners always improve. Always.
So keep going, every single day, one step at a time.
We are so proud of you.
Okay, before we go, we need your help.
If this video helped you even a little bit, please give it a big thumbs up.
It takes 2 seconds and it helps our channel so much.
And if you are new here, welcome to AI Talk English channel.
Hit that subscribe button right now. New English lessons every week, totally free.
And don't forget the bell icon so YouTube tells you when we post.
Now, here is your task for today.
Go to the comments and write, "I will train my brain to think in English."
Write it right now. It is your promise to yourself.
Because we believe in you more than you know.
Thank you so much for watching. You are the reason we make these videos.
Take care, stay happy, keep learning.
This is Alex
And this is Emma.
from AI Talk English channel. Bye.